Hello guys, today I'm requesting you to take a second to subscribe, please. Subscribe.
Hawa wengine kama watakuja si wanajua kurai.
Wow, I love. Hey, so my homies invited me for a bike riding experience. It's their church thing, and told myself, why not? So this is how it started. We went to hire bikes. This is a place in Juja where you just hire a bike for a day, go wherever you feel like, and then you'll return it before the day ends. Yeah, so we were just testing and trying the most comfortable ride. It's been long, like let me say 10 years since I rode a bike, by the way. It could even be more than 10 years. So I'm so eager to see how it will go down. And I'm equally excited to ride with my friends. Yeah, and I also came as a surprise guest to my homie Linda. We are about to surprise her. I can't wait to see how she'll behave. There she comes. Hi. What?
Hawa wengine kama watakuja si wanajua kurai.
By the way, I have a close friend of mine who doesn't know how to cycle. Like, she's genuine, she doesn't know, and she can't even climb on top of a bicycle. This sounds so crazy. Like, what was she doing when she was a kid if she didn't learn how to ride a bike? Surely. I won't mention her name anyway. So guys, this is the first route we'll be using, the Juja Gatundu Road through Kenyatta Road Junction. So we'll be using this to access Gatundu, and then we'll go back with the other one. Let me just take some rest as I enjoy the cool environment. It's been a while since I used this road. Oh my god, there they are. So I have to get going. I'm not going to be left behind. So bye guys. It's time for a short break before we hit the road. So this is my crew. Tunajipa moyo kidogo kidogo. I find this route so ideal for cycling because it has less traffic, and the ambience is breathtaking, and again the pavements for pedestrians and cyclists guarantees safety. Weh, guys, this is another episode of Who Sent Me. Me and my bike against the world. Whew. Guys, I did not know this is what I subscribed to. What I subscribed for. I'm stuck in the hill. Just decided to walk slowly until I gather some energy to continue. My colleagues, some are ahead and some are behind. So I hope they don't catch up with me. The ones behind. Guys, hey, I didn't know this is a lone affair. I pictured a riding squad going together full of giggles and you know what I mean. But let me tell you, this is a lone affair because I'm riding alone and right now I'm uphill, so I am unable to pedal. That's why I've chosen to just go walking until I get somewhere plain or at least steep downhill so that I can be able to ride. Yeah, as I was saying, I'm about to give up a quarter into the journey. I'm just looking in case a lorry or a pickup passes by. I can even request them to carry me plus my bike back, because why would I just decide to come and hurt myself here? I don't deserve this. Anyway, the fact that there are like 3 people behind me makes me feel like a champion. So I decided to get going because right now I'm their lead. So keep it here, guys. Let's keep going. Well, this is quite a significant moment in my life because I've just remembered a story my mom told me about my birth. That during her labor, when she was having labor to deliver me, my dad rode her on a bicycle for I think a distance longer than this, could be like 20 kilometers, so that they could access the hospital, the then Sierra District Hospital. So I'm just here imagining a heavily pregnant woman being ridden on a bicycle. And again, I'm trying to imagine the energy that my dad had to put in to ensure that she's comfortable, and also she was unable to walk. So you can imagine carrying a pregnant woman uphill. That was crazy. But again, by then there were no taxis, and a couple of people owned cars, by the way, and you'd find that a route didn't even have a matatu. So yeah, this experience has even made me respect my mom more and my dad double. Okay, this is the point where you also get to appreciate technology and evolution and stuff. Like, imagine a situation where there were totally no cars and even motorbikes, those ones that are run by engines and fuel. It could have been crazy, because riding a bicycle is not a walk in the park. It's only fun when you're doing it for like a short distance, let me say 5 minutes. But when you are to use it as the means of transport from one point to another, which is quite a distance. You can run mad. I think if I had existed in such times, I would have just stayed at one point without even moving. But I'm loving the sightseeing. It's cool, and it's actually I'm in the village. It's giving me my rural home vibes, and I just passed by some gate that looks like home, and I almost called my mom's name. So cool. And by the way, I'll be coming through this route on Sundays or Saturdays whenever I want to unwind, because this place has no traffic. I think you could ride like for 20-30 minutes without meeting a car or a vehicle, apart from some few motorbikes here and there. But it's fun. It's so fun with the pedestrians saying hi, and others also motivating me to keep going. And yeah, I think that's the spirit, and I love it. So let's keep going, guys. The problem with this route, by the way, is that it's so hilly. A few slopes, but lots of hills. And at this point, I can't even ride anymore. I have just keep walking until I get to a steep point, then I can ride freely. And apart from that, I'll keep walking until I get to my destination. I'm not going to strain my legs. I'm not going to strain my muscles. Tell me why I can't bear my legs. Hey, I think it's because I didn't train well enough during in the course of the week. Because if I had done that, I'm sure I could have been stronger in this exercise. But let's keep going. I haven't lost hope, and I've made my mind. I'm going to get there. I have to witness the waterfalls. By the way, our goal is to get to the waterfalls, then come back. Hey, it's not easy though. It's an endurance ride. But as they say, no pain, no gain. So I have to keep it here. I have to stay strong so that at least I come out with something. Apart from the cool environment, the Ushago vibes, I've also spotted some cool hotels that I intend to sample in my next visits whenever I am in this route. I can also recommend the Juja Gatundu route for an evening stroll. It's so cool, and the place is also safe because there is a police station along the road, so your safety is guaranteed. And again, less traffic, as I had said, and it's just peaceful. Plus the ambience, you guys can see for yourself. It's quite an awesome ride, either on foot, on bike, on car. You'll just enjoy. Yeah. And again, with fantastic locals, quite fun. And that's what you're missing. Guys, I'm so determined to go to our former president's home. But then look at the hill that's waiting for me ahead. That means more walking. I can't ride, but it's fun. I'm just approaching some banana plantation, and it's making the view even more beautiful. I think I like it so much. Such hills you don't feel when you're on a car, by the way. I didn't know that this route is that hilly. I had no idea, despite having used this route more than even 50 times, but on car. Wow, this far I've come. To God be the glory. Let me just show you guys my view from here. The banana plantation, the road, it's beautiful. The homes, the farms, quite appealing. That's where I have come from. Ni God maze. Ni God. Yeah. Wow. This is the machine. Guys, I've been told I'm about to get to the waterfall and I can't wait. I'm pregnant with hope. I just want to get there and immerse myself in water and breathe. Breathe and relax. That's what I want right now. So, come with me. Let's get to the waterfall. Yeah, 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 yeah. Let's get going. Waterfall, here we come. By the way, guys, I haven't seen my colleagues for 3 hours. However, we are communicating on phone. Others are behind me and others are ahead of me. So we are just updating each other. In case you get some problem, you let the team know so that whoever is close can rush to your help. Some of us have gotten punctures on their bikes, but luckily I haven't experienced any puncture. My bike is still intact. Yeah, but we are all safe and we are all thriving. Looking forward to meet at the waterfall. The waterfall will be the meeting point. So let's keep going. Guys, don't forget to carry your snacks and obviously your water for hydration for such trips. I carried mine and that has been my savior because it reaches a point where your energy levels are at zero and you can't even walk. So you take a bite of your snack and drink some water, and again you can't depend on random restaurants and kiosks because your stomach may be sensitive like mine as at now. So you better carry something that can help you when hunger strikes. You can't avoid being hungry, so it's good to carry something. It's advisable. I'd also advise that when riding a long distance, please make sure you have the right attire, because I just had simple joggers and let me tell you guys, my behind is on fire. I can't sit on the bike anymore. It's literally painful because I didn't put on the right attire. A biker's short could have been better to protect me. So, guys, please take note of that in case you get to ride a long distance. Have the right attire. Please, please, please make sure you have the right attire so that you don't get hurt the way I've been hurt. But I know I'll get better. I've just asked again where the waterfall is, and I've been assured that is a few minutes from where I am now. And I can't wait to get there. But first, guys, let's admire this place. It's so green, so nice to look at. Finally, we are at the waterfalls. This is Gatundu town, a few minutes from Gatundu town. So you will be using this junction. This junction. This one, yeah, to get to the waterfalls. You're finally there. Yay! We are finally here, guys. Just take a look. It's so beautiful. This is from the top. I haven't descended. Just look at the waterfalls. Enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. Enjoy from my screens and make a point of visiting Gatundu waterfalls. You can also use matatu. You can go by car. You can go by bike. You don't have to cycle and go through whatever I have gone through, but it's been quite an experience. I don't regret. I've loved it. Just have fun, enjoy watching the waterfalls. I'll take a dip in the waters, the long awaited swim. Moments to behold for memories with my beautiful friend Linda. Cheers. Challenge done and dusted. We are now headed home. We are very satisfied. Nashangaa tu vile najiuliza tu nitafika aje home. Cause sidhani kama nitaweza pedal tena. We are passing through Gatundu Township so that we can use the alternative route that passes in front of Gatundu Level 5 Hospital. And this alternative route is actually shorter with no hills. If there is, could be one or two. So it's gonna be an easy ride, not as bumpy as the previous one. So we are hopeful that all of us will pull through the challenge before 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 night falls, because right now it's around 5 p.m. So we only have like 2 hours before night come. Let's get charged and hit the road. You got it, guys. Guys, this is Gatundu for you. So cutesy. So demure. And guys, by the way, I am so hurt that such a wonderful road is left unmaintained. Just imagine vegetation has moved. A big chunk of the road has been covered by vegetation. As you can see, there is no pedestrian pavement because it's been covered by vegetation. There is no maintenance being done on this road, and I know it's a lot of taxpayers' investments. I'm sure this poses a security threat to road users at night or even late evening, because this is so bushy for even the locals to ply the route at night, guys. Just look at it. It looks like an abandoned road because not so many cars are also using it. So it can be risky. But I'm glad this time around I have a colleague, so we are the two of us. But doing this alone, even a wild animal can come out of the bush. What? The ride has been so smooth except for some two small hills that we were unable to endure due to fatigue. But 3/4 of the journey has been smooth, going downhill, and quite enjoyable, of course. And I know in maybe an hour we'll be home. I can't imagine myself being stuck in this wilderness in darkness, guys. We got home safe and it's been really nice having you guys around. Thank you for watching.